Hey there. Let us break down the component of the sound sensor module. This is the one used to detect claps, noise, or sound levels. So, this is called a sound sensor module here. Let us understand what it does. A sound sensor module is used to detect the sounds and the noises from the environment. Let us start with the starting. So here in the starting point at the left hand side we have a silver crystal cylinder part. So this is actually a microphone. So if you would look like the microphone will look like this one. So this microphone, it detects the sound waves and converts sound into electric signals. So basically it hears sound just like our ears. So next we have as a black chip here in the middle. What it does is this is actually a amplifier IC. So in other components we have the IC chips, but in all the components the IC chips are used as per the capacity and as per the task provided from the sensor. In this we have is amplifier IC. This small chip here is the amplifier. Like what it does is it will boost weak sound signals, make them strong enough to process. So without this, small sounds won't be detected. So that is where this IC chip is used, and you can say that this is the brain of this circuit, or this is the brain of this sensor module. So we have another blue color box here, which is actually a potentiometer, which has the adjustable knob here. So this knob is used to adjust the sensitivity of the potentiometer, and this blue color component here is actually a potentiometer. So why it is used? It is used to adjust the sensitivity, and it turns it to detect loud or softer sounds. When we turn it to the high sensitivity, it will even detect the soft sounds. If we turn it to be low, then it will detect the loud sounds. Example, high sensitivity will detect even the small sound which we will, or anything from the environment will make. In the low sensitivity, only loud sounds like clapping or talking or shouting, anything like that, it will detect only loud sounds. Here we have, inside this we have a comparator circuit. So what it does is, usually it is a part of IC which compares the sound level with a set threshold. Like when you in if we are using sound modules, then we need to give it a threshold frequency. It will compare that, and it will decide that if the output pin should be on or off. So it answers, is the sound loud enough, or is the sound soft enough? So that is what the comparator circuit will do. Then we have as LED 1 and 2 here. So this LED 1 will power on when the circuit gets powered, and the LED 2 will turn on when there is some sound detected from the sensor. So this is where the LED 1 and LED 2 is used. And we have here as resistors and capacitors. So what does resistors and capacitors do is, these tiny chips here, the tiny rectangular blocks here, are resistors and capacitors. So resistors will control the current, and capacitor will filter the noise. Like in the past modules, the capacitor was used to control the electricity, but here the capacitor is used to filter the noise. Altogether they keep the signal clean and stable, which is very important for the sensor to work. So moving forward to main components here, the output pins. On the right hand side, we have output pins, which is VCC, A0, G, and plus. So plus sign pin here is basically a VCC pin, which is used to power power the circuit, and ground pin is used to get out the negative current, and D naught pin is used for digital output, that is on or off state, and analog pin is used uh, to read the analog outputs, that is like it the analog pin is used to read the sound levels of the sound. So altogether this will make the sound sensor module. So this red board in the back is a PCB. So what does PCB means is printed circuit board. So it connects all the part together and provide the signals pathways. So this is how the sound sensor module is used. So how it works in a very simple form is microphone here it will hear the sound, and sound signals get amplified and compares it with threshold, and output is sent to the Arduino. This is how it is used. So where is it used? So it is used to detect the clap switch or noise detection, and it is used in sound level monitoring. So this is how altogether it makes the sound sensor module. So in this video we learned about the sound sensor module. So that's it for now. See you in the next video, robot builders.